always there for me when I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise till that we part, like in our vows. 'Cause I wrote this song for you, now everybody knows it's just how it's you and me until we quit.